Welcome back, All-Star family. This is Ian here at your headquarters for Lifted Trucks in Baton Rouge, All-Star Chevrolet. I want to start off today and let you know we got lifted 18s on the ground, lifted 2019s, but I really want to tell you about this new Black Widow Edition lifted truck, guys. These things are so cool. We're going to start out with a regular LTZ 6.2 truck, and then we're going to go nuts from there. Start off with the badging, Black Widow Edition. This thing just screams ultra premium, okay? We're going to move around to the wheels. You got a gorgeous set of exclusive 20-inch wheels. You can only get these on a Black Widow Edition, all wrapped up in some BF Goodrich terrain tires. We've got all the nice touches on there, dual exhaust, custom painted bumpers to match the entire truck. This thing has been customized head to toe. And don't forget about the interior, because come take a look. We've replaced all the wood paneling with a piano black interior. Really helped sell this all premium options, custom stitched Black Widow headrest. Like I said, this is an LTZ to begin with, so all your features, everything you're looking for a premium truck is here. We just took it above and beyond.